Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Settings. Now choose Bluetooth and click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. Now wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Then select Pair in this pop-up in order to continue and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them if you wish to by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!